In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment link to your WordPress site. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking to enhance your blog's interactive elements, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is the main landing site for all your blog management and settings. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You can easily find the login button in the upper right corner of the screen, so go ahead and click on that. Now, WordPress offers multiple ways to log in, but for today's tutorial, we're going to keep things simple and click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your existing Google account, and it's a great way to streamline access without having to remember another password. Once you click that, your browser will open a new window asking you to select the Google account you wish to use. Simply choose which account you'd like to connect to WordPress and you'll be in. After successfully logging in, take a look at the right panel. This area is your command center for quick navigation. Here you'll find the quick links section, and what you need to do next is click on Edit Site. This will bring up the page editor where you can make all kinds of changes to your website. Let's move to the top left of the screen now. You'll see an Add button there. Think of this as your gateway to introducing new features to your blog posts. Click it and a search bar will appear, waiting for you to type in what you need. In this case, we're asking it to find comment link. As you type in comment link, WordPress will present you with various options related to your search. Your goal here is to locate and click on the option that specifically says comment link. This will import the necessary block into your page editor, where you can position it as desired. And there you have it. With these easy to follow steps, you've successfully added a comment link to your WordPress site. By following along, you not only make your blog more interactive, but also offer your readers a streamlined way to engage with your content. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.